Dry. The video wey una post this morning wey be say you dey inside kitchen dey cook indomie for 3 hours. You no gree comot for kitchen so that Mary go cook her own food. Is something that is not good. I no know why you dey follow Mary dey get head to head for this house where you know say fully well now you come meet am for house. You supposed to respect am. I call her with that respect, but no, you don't want to respect her. But before I go into this matter, make I greet my people. I greet you according to your time. Is your girl Linda this TV. For those of you that are just coming across my video for the first time, please give me like and love, share this video, and don't forget to drop your comments on the comment section. So, Joy, you know say Mary now be the senior wife for that house. Mary did that house before you come. Mary has been there before you come. You dey inside kitchen for 3 hours for only indomie. 3 hours. You refuse to leave kitchen. That one is extra wickedness, my dear. Let me tell you. That one is extra wickedness because you know say Mary go come enter kitchen, come prepare food. You don't want to leave there. It is not good. You are the second wife. Please know your place so that peace go reign. You don't want to go, but since you don't want to go, know your place. Every day, gbas-gbos. Wait be all this one. Look at the way you are rushing bread. You say you dey go dey buy food for house. I tell you, say, tell Lord of Lemon to rent an apartment for you. Let that one be the fight. You will be fighting Lord of Lemon. The people will support you. Rent an apartment for me. Settle me, let me go. People will support you. But you see, Anna, Mary don't wake up now. Mary has wake up now. Before they keep you quiet, now he has wake up. He dey off gas. He say, nah, he get kitchen. And really, now she get kitchen. You cannot drag it. That is just the simple truth. I will say you burn that pikin. You leave that pikin. Say you come to true burner. You can't burn that pikin, and that pikin can't be fully well and lemon home. Now there you go stand your ground. Now you do not have any ground in Lord of Lemon's house. You not get ground like that. You not get ground like that. Secondly, they ever do things finish for your head. So you not get ground like that. Then Lemon to rent an apartment, may you live and go and stay in your place. You don't want to. Every day, blessed day, gbas-gbos. Look at the way Lemon, they dry bread with you. Look at the way people, they say because of hunger, you are staying there. Mary don't tell you now. He say when he go deal with you finish, you go less by force. Sometimes they don't take people quietness for stupidity. She's be quiet with you. You they perform your perform. Some people are dangerous. They don't start quickly to react. But when they react, you will not like it. Please. Be careful. Tell Lemon to rent an apartment for you. May you go get your peace. I don't know what it day you so hard. Use your hand to create peace for yourself. Than this kind of gbas-gbos every blessed day. People will be insulting you every blessed day. It is not good. This is the advice for you, for me to you. It is not good. Please. It is not good. So thank you so much, guys. The video where they post this morning, they talk about, so how can you be cooking indomie for 3 hours without leaving the kitchen where you know you are not the only one who wants to make use of that kitchen? That means now you they find trouble. She refused you to cook. Now what do you confident do? Nothing. If they judge and you are the one who wrong this morning, you wrong. You are the one who wrong. Know your place as a second wife. May peace reign. Since you don't want to go. Know your place. When you know your place, peace go reign. Thank you so much, my people. Please, I want you guys to share this video for me. Drop your comments on the comment section. Let's continue to advise JOYSEKANI because today's video, she was the one who wrong. She wrong well. Thank you, my people.